I would argue that getting your payment in crypto is the on-ramp. We worked with Solana Spaces as the point of sales. We had like the Solana community and whoever could get USDC on Solana to make payments from their non-custodial wallets. It worked beautifully. It was super fast.
I've seen it. Yeah, very slick.
Yeah, they had $500, $1,000 worth of USDC payments within 6 months. But when an average person in Miami walked past, spent 15 minutes writing down their seed phrase, learning about what a non-custodial wallet is, going to the only option in their wallet, MoonPay, who would charge about 10% at the time to get USDC for $100. People criticize, well, why can't I pay for my coffee in crypto yet? And it's not actually about like adoption of payments and people wanting to pay in crypto. It's about on and off ramps. That's really what this is. Like payments is an off ramp. The on ramp is really what we need. And this is what we learned. While we started as a payments, like from merchant POS, we realized we have to do the wallet because that's actually the point of entry for everyone into the ecosystem. We built a wallet and we made it so you could sign in with what looks like a Web 2 sort of sign. We did it through some Shamir sharing on a wallet so people could go always get their keys and they have control. It's still non-custodial, but it just makes it quick and easy as to get that wallet straight up and running. The next challenge and the bigger challenge is we still have on-ramps that A, have low spreads or fees, and 2, are just easy and available to people. I would argue that the biggest benefit of blockchain is that it doesn't see borders and countries and regions. So why would we restrict on-ramps to just one country or one region or whoever has a bank account? This is the challenge of the on-ramp.